Are you okay? You scared me. David, are you in your room? Where are you?
I'm sorry. I did not want to scare you. What are you doing here?
I brought your food, it's getting cold. You should have your dinner.
Okay, thanks.
David, my son, where are you? I want to talk to you. Your mom is coming here. I should go now. David, where were you? I was in the bathroom, Mom. Is everything okay? We need to talk, my son. Do you have a moment?
Yes, Mom. What do you want to say?
Are you going somewhere?
I'm going to hang out with my friends.
Not again, David. Those aren't your friends, they're using you.
Come on, Mom, you're exaggerating. I'll be joining your company soon.
You're my son, David, and I care about you. You need to be responsible. You're very innocent, my son. Your friends are with you because you're rich. They're taking advantage of you. You need to be alert and stop hanging out with them.
You don't know them, Mom. They're my real friends. I need to get dressed now. I'll see you later, Mom.
David, listen to me. You always do this. What happened? You sounded worried. Is everything okay? Your husband came here. He's looking for Anna. He asked about your address and wanted to meet Anna as friends. What? He's still searching for us? He's very dangerous. What did you say, Van? Don't worry. He can't do anything. I didn't tell him anything. You're not in this country, he can't find you. How is Anna? Thank God Anna is fine. We love this place, we're safe here. Sir, David is very naughty. Why did he scare me? I need to stay away from David, sir.
We're going to have so much fun, dude. You won't forget this night.
There's a new restaurant nearby that makes delicious pizza.
Let's go then. I can't wait any longer.
You're so naive, David. We'll waste your money again.
Did you like this restaurant?
Yes, I loved it. Let's order a large pizza. I'm famished.
Welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes, we're ready. We'd like a large chicken cheese pizza.
Sure, sir. Anything else? I'd like a Diet Coke, please.
I'll take the same.
Got it. I'll be right back. Soon.
It smells so good. Let's dig in, guys.
Hello, my sweetie. How are you? I'm fine, Mom. How are you? How's your business? I'm also fine. My business is doing very well. Glad to hear that. Mom, I passed my last semester with flying colors. I'm on cloud nine, my dear. Congratulations. Thanks, Mom. How's my aunt? How's David? They're also fine. When are you coming back, my sweetie? I'm coming back tomorrow. I can't wait to see you, Mom. I'll be joining your business soon. Sure, my sweetie. See you soon. Take care.
You guys were right. The pizza was scrumptious.
Let's head to the disco now.
Let me pay the bill. Waiter, could we get the bill, please?
Here's the bill, sir.
Oh no, this can't be happening.
What happened, dude? Is everything okay?
I forgot my wallet at home. I really wanted to pay the bill.
That's not a big deal. David will pay the bill. Yeah, sure, it's on me, guys. Thank you so much, David. You're a lifesaver. No problem. Let's go to the disco.
Yeah, sure, you won't forget this night.
Come on, David, let's have some beer. You'll love it. No thanks, I don't like it. It's bad for your health. Don't act like a baby. I'm sure you'll love it. No thanks. I'll take a glass of mango juice.
Okay, as you wish, my friend. You can sit over there, I'll get your juice.
Got it. Thanks, dude. You need to add beer to his juice.
I got it. We'll steal his wallet today.
Sure, we'll share his money between us.
Now you're talking. I'll be back soon.
Here's your mango juice, my dear friend. Thanks, buddy. You're my best friend. Did you like it, dude? It's a new flavor. Yep, I loved it, but I'm feeling dizzy. I'm not feeling well. I want to go home.
Stay and enjoy the night with us, dude. You're just tired.